Our storm watch coverage continues. Let's give you a live look at Atlantic City, where a powerful nor'easter is just getting started. A foot or more of snow is expected down the shore. The heaviest snow has yet to arrive. Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo is here with how things are looking right now and what you can expect as we go through the night and into the morning. Kate?
Yuki, we're starting to see one of the heaviest bands we've seen so far really starting to get underway across South Jersey and Delaware. Reports coming from within this band of upwards of an inch per hour of snowfall, and it's just going to continue coming throughout the overnight hours. In Philadelphia, the snow is coming down. You can see even the streets here right around Logan Circle, Logan Square. We're seeing streets starting to get a little slushy and covered. There's not a ton of snow on the ground just yet, but more to come as the storm continues to strengthen. Look at this big swath of snow extending from Norfolk, Virginia and the Hampton Roads area all the way up to Cape Cod. And again, some of the heaviest snow yet tonight has just started in portions of South Jersey and Delaware. Now on the northern edge, the snow is relatively light, but it has moved all the way back into the Lehigh Valley. I was looking at our Bethlehem camera. It has been snowing at least lightly to moderately for the past couple of hours. Here's the band we're watching, though. You can see where that darker purple shading is, extending from central Burlington County right on through Camden, Gloucester, Atlantic, Cumberland County, and down into Delaware. This is the band that is likely producing snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. So recapping, a winter weather advisory north and west that could be extended to Monroe County as well, and in the city and nearby suburbs we're looking at a winter storm warning. But it's a blizzard warning throughout all of the coastal counties, including New Jersey and Delaware. The definition of a blizzard, you need 3 things: sustained winds or frequent gusts of 35 miles per hour or greater, visibility under a quarter mile, and you need those 2 things sustained for a period of 3 hours. It looks like that will happen overnight, especially between about 1 a.m. and 6 a.m. That's when some of the heaviest snow is expected. So you can see this heavy band around 1 a.m. still sitting over the shore points. You can see the western extent of it. It is going to be a sharp cutoff, but it looks like it'll snow even lightly, snow for long enough that we'll end up with a couple of inches up in the Lehigh Valley. The heaviest snow again east of the city, but this is 5 a.m. still snowing at a good clip. 6:30, same story. 8:30, still snowing everywhere, still heavy down the shore. And then finally, after about 10 o'clock, we start to see the back edge of that erode. After the noon hour, this will be wrapping up and moving off the coast. But by the time that happens, here's what we'll be looking at: 1 to 4 inches for the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos. Again, 1 to the north, 4 to the south, 4 to 8 inches in this band around the suburbs and the city of Philadelphia. Again, you start the lower amounts closer to the northern edge of the band, up to around 8 inches possible near the city, Delaware County, Mercer County. 8 to 12 inches, especially with this band overhead right now, over parts of interior South Jersey and Delaware, and as much as 12 to 15 plus throughout the shore communities tonight. In addition, the winds are going to be howling, gusting 35 to 40 miles per hour possible in the city and suburbs, up to 50 miles per hour down the shore. That kind of wind, not only is it going to lead to blowing and drifting, but it could also lead to down branches and possible power outages. The only good news is that this is going to be a light, fluffy snow overnight. It's not that heavy, pasty snow that just clings onto the branches, but winds that strong, it's going to cause a problem. And also visibility. The blowing and drifting snow, as well as the falling snow, will lead to visibilities in South Jersey and Delaware less than half a mile, and in many spots less than a quarter of a mile. Whiteout conditions, again, especially from about 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. Getting a little bit better tomorrow morning, but really not much improvement until after the noon hour. Quick look at stats for Atlantic City. Their record snowfall total 20.1 inches, the biggest storm on record. That was in 2010. They need 16.1 to get to the top 10 snowfalls of all time, 17.1 for a top 5 snowfall. And look at this, their yearly average 17.4. So far this year, already 17.2, and maybe adding another foot or more on top of that tonight. So snow and wind through the first half of tomorrow, then clearing and much colder. Sunday is frigid, but then look at the turnaround. By next Thursday, we may hit 60. So that means all this snow is going to melt pretty quickly. Yuki, back over to you.
Let's get through this and get to that turnaround. Kate, thank you.